first, our viewers, let's begin with the day's top political story. Now, there is this massive war of words raging on Dr. Manmohan Singh's final rites at the Nigam Bodh Ghat as the debate over who really has sullied the legacy of the former Prime Minister. Now, while the Congress has alleged insult by the BJP Sarkar, the BJP has hit back. Now, they allege that the Congress has always ignored its very own netas just for one parivar. This, remember, is a charge that has now been echoed by even relatives of the former Prime Minister and also more leaders. In a big claim by Pranab Mukherjee's daughter, Sharmishta Mukherjee, has spoken to Times Now's Group Editor-in-Chief, Navika Kumar, and she says that the former president had actually also proposed Dr. Manmohan Singh's name for the Bharat Ratna, but it was not taken forward. She is also speaking about the fact that the Congress did not even hold a condolence meeting by the CWC when her father passed away.
You just mentioned that in 2013, President Pranab Mukherjee wanted to confer Bharat Ratna on Dr. Manmohan Singh. Did he propose this to the government at the time? Was there a discussion?
I will tell you exactly what I read in his diaries. There was only one entry on 2013, 30th October. So he wrote that he felt that, Dr. Manmohan Singh should be conferred Bharat Ratna, and he wrote the reasons for it, that, how he led India through economic crisis of that time, and, how he steered Indian economy, how his stellar contributions. And then one line he wrote that he talked to the cabinet secretary of that time to talk to Pulak Chatterjee to ascertain the views of Sonia Gandhi. So that is it. There was no further reference of it in the diary. So I really do not know what happened, why there was no further discussion, whether Pulak Chatterjee mentioned it to Sonia Gandhi. If he did mention it to Sonia Gandhi, then what was her response? Why it wasn't, why did it happen? I do not know, because there is no further reference.
Now, Narasimha Rao's brother has also hit out at the Congress party, alleging that the Congress ignored the former Prime Minister after his death, also refusing to even open the gates of the AICC office and denying him the Bharat Ratna.
उनको जरा एक 20 साल पीछे मुड़ के देखना है। मनमोहन सिंह के गवर्नमेंट में उनका गुरु पीवी नरसिम्हा राव को क्या रेस्पेक्ट दिए थे। 2 गज का जमीन दिल्ली में नहीं मिला। उस दिन पीवी नरसिम्हा राव को कहाँ कौन आए थे? आपका सोनिया गांधी भी नहीं आए उस जमाने में। आप लोग वहाँ उनका एक स्टैचू नहीं लगाए पीवी नरसिम्हा राव का, और इतना साल आप रह के एक भारत रत्न दिए क्या आपको Narasimha Rao ji ko?
And viewers, amidst this ongoing showdown that we have seen over Dr. Manmohan Singh's legacy, the BJP has even launched a scathing attack on the Congress MP Rahul Gandhi over his foreign trip now to Vietnam, just days after the demise of the former Prime Minister. And this is also while the Congress has called the charges a diversionary tactic by the BJP. Now, the BJP has launched this blistering attack on the leader of the opposition, and they claim that Rahul Gandhi already has flown to Vietnam. This is for the New Year celebrations. This, while the nation is mourning the demise of the former Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh. They've also alleged that the Congress Neta has exploited the death of the former Prime Minister for his political gains. Okay, so on your screens, you're also looking at the charge versus the counter charge. The BJP is alleged earlier today that even as there is the national mourning already announced after the demise of the former Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, and the Congress has also tried to utilize and exploit this entire tragedy for their narrow political gains by raising questions on the BJP. Let's listen in to the war of words.
राहुल गांधी के समय पर एलओपी का मतलब लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन नहीं, बल्कि लीडर ऑफ पर्यटन और लीडर ऑफ पार्टी बन चुका है। एक संवैधानिक पद को इन्होंने नेता प्रतिपक्ष से बदलकर लीडर ऑफ पार्टी और लीडर ऑफ पर्यटन बना रखा है। आज जब देश पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह जी के दुखद निधन पर राष्ट्रीय शोक आज भी मना रहा है, देश की ओर से, देश की सरकार की ओर से ये घोषणा की गई कि 7 दिन का राष्ट्रीय शोक मनाया जाएगा, तब देश में रहते हुए प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह जी की इस दुखद निधन पर अपना शोक प्रकट करने के बदले, जैसे कि राहुल गांधी से अपेक्षित है, मीडिया के माध्यम से खबर यह आ रही है कि राहुल गांधी पर्यटन और पार्टी के लिए निकल चुके हैं। वैसे राहुल गांधी और पार्टी, राहुल गांधी और विदेशी पर्यटन, ये अब बहुत ही सामान्य बात बन चुकी है। याद होगा आपको कि जब 26/11 जैसा हमला मुंबई पर हुआ था, तब भी अखबारों में छपा था कि कैसे राहुल गांधी रात भर नाच गाना पार्टी कर रहे हैं।
And remember, countering all these charges, you also have the Congress that has now gone ahead to claim that the BJP is just raking up this entire issue to distract from the issue at hand, and that the BJP, they say, is guilty of not giving the late Dr. Manmohan Singh his due respect that he deserves even in his passing away. They've also questioned that why the BJP is so interested in the private travels of Rahul Gandhi, and that it is the Prime Minister who goes out also on many international tours.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को तो लोगों का ध्यान भटकाने में उनका महारत है। उनको हकीकत यह है कि डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह को जो सम्मान देना चाहिए था, जो 2 गज जमीन के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी ने भी और शायद देश के तमाम लोग चाहते थे कि उनका स्मारक बने, वही बने जहां उनकी अंतिम क्रिया होती है, लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने नहीं दिया।
Let's also get in our colleague Sabyasachi, who's tracking all this story and much more for us. Sabyasachi, has Rahul Gandhi given a handle to the BJP? Because the BJP says, look at his own intentions. We are mourning the demise of the former Prime Minister here, and here is Rahul, who's going out to celebrate the new year.
See, well, that's right. In fact, the BJP and BJP leader Amit Malviya has put out a long post in social media X targeting Mr. Rahul Gandhi, stating on one hand, when the centre has declared a 7-day mourning period for late former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, and on the other hand, the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, has decided to travel outside the country. Meanwhile, the Congress party sees nothing wrong in it. In fact, the Congress party and its member of parliament, Mr. Manikam Tagore, has come in support of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, stating that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is travelling in his personal capacity, and this is nothing, and the BJP can't make a fuss out of it. Meanwhile, the Congress party also highlighted that how the BJP has shown disrespect to late Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh during the cremation process. See, the entire war of words started when debate started on the cremation process of late Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. See, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has given a clarification as to why the cremation was not conducted near Rajghat, as the weather did not permit, and since Rajghat is a flat land, there is chances of waterlogging, and that is the reason why the cremation was conducted at Nigam Bodh Ghat. Meanwhile, the centre is considering to give a foundation stone of Dr. Manmohan Singh at Rajghat, but the Congress party blames that no proper accommodation was made over there. The family members of Dr. Manmohan Singh was not accommodated. In fact, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi was made to sit in a corner. The entire focus of the camera was on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. So this sort of allegation had come in from the Congress. But going ahead, definitely the war of words is going to escalate, because not only the Congress party, but the family members of P.V. Narasimha Rao, as well as late President of the country, Pranab Mukherjee's family, also have levelled allegation against the Congress party, stating that the Congress party party has not given the due respect to Pranab Mukherjee as well as to PV Narasimha Rao. So clearly at this particular point, the BJP questions the Congress party's intent, who has been questioning since yesterday that the BJP has shown disrespect to late Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. But today, the Congress leader, Mr. Rahul Gandhi himself, when the nation is mourning the death of former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, Rahul Gandhi decides to travel outside.
Sabyasachi, allow me a moment, because let's also play out how the story has moved. You know, all this is also coming at a time when you have the Congress that has already alleged that the BJP has not given Dr. Manmohan Singh his due, claiming that other prime ministers did get a place for cremation near the Rajghat, something that Sabyasachi also just alluded towards. But let's listen in to what the Congress has to say about this.
दुनिया से जो लोग चले जाते हैं ना, उनका तो कभी भी अपमान नहीं किया जाता। एक युग सुधारक ज़्यादा प्रधानमंत्री कम डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी का जो अपमान उनके न रहने के बाद सार्वजनिक स्थल पर शमशान में उनका अंतिम संस्कार करा के किया है ना, अब भी भरपाई कर लीजिए।
But also remember, the Congress has been countered not only by the BJP but also by the kin of the former president, Pranab Mukherjee. Now, in a big claim by his daughter, Sharmishta Mukherjee, she's spoken to Times Now's group editor-in-chief, Navika Kumar, and she said that the former president did actually propose Dr. Manmohan Singh's name for the Bharat Ratna, but it was not taken forward. She's also spoken about the fact that the Congress did not even hold a condolence meeting by the CWC for her father. Let's go back to Sabyasachi, who has more details on that story. You know, Sabyasachi, this is an Achilles heel of the Congress, because time and again, you know, and history is a clear proof of the fact that all was not well when it came to how Narasimha Rao was treated. That's why his family today has also spoken up, versus even Pranab Mukherjee at times, and now Dr. Manmohan Singh. Now, the charge that the BJP is using basically to buttress their claim is also the fact that in the Congress, it's just the Parivar, no one else matters.
Well, that's right. See, the BJP has been attacking the Congress party over the fact that the Congress party prioritizes the Parivar over any of its leader, and the Congress party has been doing so in the past. That is what the BJP has been highlighting. Now, the strong reaction coming in from former Prime Minister PV Narasimha Rao's family, that when he passed away, in fact, his last rite was not even done here in the national capital. The last rite was performed in Hyderabad. The Congress party did not even refer his name for the Bharat Ratna. In fact, Sharmishta Mukherjee, the daughter of late President of India, Pranab Mukherjee, came out and stated that when his father passed away, the Congress party didn't even call a CWC condolence meeting. And in fact, she also mentioned that how Pranab Mukherjee has written in his diary that back in 2013, he has referred Dr. Manmohan Singh's name for a Bharat Ratna, and the Congress party did not take it forward. So this sort of serious allegation have been coming in from the family members of PV Narasimha Rao and Pranab Mukherjee. In fact, the BJP also, Mr. Amit Malviya, while attacking Mr. Rahul Gandhi, stated that the Congress party has been against the Sikh from day one, and he also pointed out that how former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi has desecrated the Amritsar Golden Temple. So these sort of allegations are being coming in from the BJP side, whereas the BJP focus is that while the Congress is raising fingers on the BJP side that they have insulted late former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, but it is the Congress party who have a track record of not respecting their own leaders time and again.
And you know, Sabyasachi, because you did make that reference, and that, you know, tweet that came in from Amit Malviya did talk about the fact that this also displays the hatred of the Congress for the Sikhs. Now, you have an election in Delhi. Clearly, the Congress is a player there. The Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP are all vying, for Delhi. How could this issue really resonate? And is the Congress really then on the back foot?
Well, see, at this particular time, the BJP is continuously attacking the Congress party over how it has not given the due respect to their own leaders. Now, on the other hand, as far as the issue of former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh is concerned, it seems the opposition is united in this matter. Whether the support coming in from different political parties across the country, they have been supporting the Congress party. In fact, in this regard, stating stating that it is the BJP leadership who has shown disrespect to Dr. Manmohan Singh and his family members. So we have to wait and see how this things pan out, because right now, if you talk about the leadership here in the national capital, the Delhi unit, they are much focusing on the Aam Aadmi Party rather than raising the Manmohan Singh issue here in the national capital.
All right, Sabyasachi, for the moment, thank you so much for helping us decode that entire story. And from the national capital, let's shift